This review is of La Colombe Coffee Workshop Mocha Draft Latte Cold Brew with Milk. Frothy and creamy. 150 calories. Okay. Blurb, less than 50% sugar, or less 50% sugar. And what's this? Natural 7 grams of protein. Okay. And what else? Parve, gluten-free. Remove the label before you recycle. That's good information. 120 milligrams of caffeine. Do not shake. Yeah, go like, if you're gonna get the stuff that's on the bottom off, you'll want to do something like this. To, more of a swirl. Yes, I know the stovetop needs to be cleaned. That is crumbs from a wonderful chocolate pastry my son made last night, so get over it. 150 calories. 120 milligrams of caffeine is acceptable for one day, unless you're sensitive. Now, please remember to, drink caffeine responsibly. 4 grams of fat, of which 2.5 are saturated. No trans fats. 15 milligrams of cholesterol. 190 milligrams of sodium. 25 grams of carbs, of which 7 are dietary fiber. 15 are sugars, of which 11 are added. 7 grams of protein, as was said before. Reduced fat milk is the #1 ingredient. Oh, joy. And the cocoa has been ruined by Dutching it, which means the antioxidants have been destroyed. Acacia gum, gellan gum, which are emulsifiers, not great. Cane sugar, not great. Lactase, not great. Why do they have to have milk and lactase, the jackasses? Urgh. Hey, La Colombe, you don't need to put lactase in here. Most adults have an allergy to or not an allergy, but intolerance of lactase, and you're just making it worse by doing that. Gosh. You'd think that a beverage company would figure things out instead of being goofballs. All right, let's try it. All right. Interesting flavor. I can't tell how much of it is from the mocha flavoring and how much of it is just from the coffee and milk and sugar. It hits my tongue in a different way than just sugar. So I'm definitely getting some mocha in here, but not strong. Like if you go to get the Jamocha shake at Arby's, that's a stronger mocha than this is. Nevertheless, this is nice, but not compellingly nice. I love mocha flavor, by the way. I'll give this a 6.5. It's good, but not special. Thanks for watching, Afia, and have a great day.